and derivatives. In the miscellaneous exercise, we completed 17 questions. Now we will find the derivative for the 18th function. Secant x minus 1 divided by secant x plus 1. So we have to find the derivative of the function. That is, we have to find f dash of x, which is also denoted as d by dx of f of x. So we have to find the derivative of this. So let us label this function. Let f of x is equal to secant x minus 1 divided by secant x plus 1. Now to find this derivative, we have to differentiate. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. We have d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of secant x minus 1 divided by secant x plus 1. Now d by dx of f of x is same as f dash of x. So this is f dash of x is equal to d by dx of function by function. We will apply quotient rule, that is u by v. This is u v. So in the denominator it is secant x plus 1 the whole square into secant x plus 1 into d by dx of secant x minus 1. Then minus secant x minus 1 into d by dx of secant x plus 1. Right. Now this implies f dash of x is equal to, so in the denominator secant x plus 1 the whole square. Here it is secant x plus 1. So d by dx of secant x minus 1. So we will apply u minus v rule. So secant x minus 1, d by dx of u minus v. So we get d by dx of secant x minus d by dx of 1. Right? Minus, I will write here, secant x minus 1 into d by dx of secant x plus 1. We will apply u plus v rule, u plus v. So we get d by dx of secant x plus d by dx of 1. Now this implies f dash of x is equal to secant x plus 1 into derivative of secant is secant theta into tan theta. So derivative of secant theta is secant theta into tan theta. So derivative of secant x will be secant x into tan x minus derivative of 1 is 0 minus secant x minus 1 into, again derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x plus derivative of 1 is, which is constant, 0. So in the denominator it is secant x plus 1 the whole square. Now this implies f dash of x is equal to secant x plus 1 into, here you will have secant x into tan x minus secant x minus 1 into secant x into tan x. So in the denominator it is secant x plus 1 the whole square. Now this implies f dash of x is equal to, so in these terms we can observe there is a common term which is secant x into tan x here and secant x into tan x here. So we will take the common secant x into tan x. So here you are left with secant x plus 1 and here it is secant x minus 1. So we will multiply minus inside. So here you will get minus secant x, minus times minus is plus 1. Now divided by secant x plus 1 the whole square. So now this implies f dash of x is equal to, plus secant x minus secant x will neutralize. So you are left with only 2 here. So you will get secant x tan x plus 1 is 2. I'll write here 2 divided by secant x plus 1 the whole square. So this is the derivative of the 18th function, secant x minus 1 by secant x plus 1, and hence we completed the 18th one.